Over the last few years, DIA has experienced a lot of growth in terms of the size of our team, the scope of our work, and so we wanted to take this opportunity to learn more about logic models, CQI plan, and how to improve our visualization of our data.
I was really excited to dive more deeply into the expertise that's available through this program so that our organization could level up our data collection and program evaluation.
For over 30 years, Bread of Life has worked in food, housing, and health access, and so we joined because we wanted to have a better way of showing what our impact in the community is.
Good Reason Houston's research data and insights team is really advanced in things like data analysis and data visualization, but we really thought the next step for us as an organization and as a function was to build out our internal processes for impact tracking to really enhance the impact that we're having on the Houston community.
Our organization, Sci-Hope, joined the Fellows Program so that we could refine the way we use and collect data. That way we could, be more efficient in measuring the impact that we make in our communities in Cy-Fair and Waller.
We wanted to understand how to visualize our data in a way that is digestible for all mediums of individuals who use our data.
I would say that we're very data rich at Emerge. We have a lot of data at our fingertips, and we really wanted to be more intentional about how we use it, when we use it, why we use it, what story we're really trying to tell, and how we can really improve our impact.
Our goals for joining the program were to be able to standardize our processes on what we're collecting and what we're evaluating, and to also be able to find ways to measure the changes in our behavior.
Because of our longevity, we have inherited a lot of our data practices. So we were interested in kind of like taking a step back and evaluating what we are measuring, what we have been measuring, and what we need to be reaching for.
In general, the evaluation and constant quality improvement of all of our programs was the main reason why we joined the Fellows Program.
We really want data to be accessible for all of our staff so that they can use that information and the insights to drive how they serve patients.
We're in the middle of revamping both our mission and vision, trying to work with more groups beyond the original refugee and immigrant populations we work with. So that means, we need a whole new log frame, a continuous quality improvement framework, documents to monitor and evaluate our data, as well as things like a data dictionary.
We really wanted to learn more about the logic models, and we wanted to be able to map our work in a way that sees the outputs and outcomes a little bit better. And everything comes from that. And then after that, we can, it's like a waterfall effect. So everything gets a little bit more organized. And, when we build out these models, we end up building out a data dictionary.
We have a lot of things that we could be taking data on to improve our business and our business relationships, but we just kind of need some help because there's so many data points, kind of picking out which data points are necessary for us to present. We also wanted to kind of develop a way for a continuous quality improvement plan, not just on an ad hoc basis, but on a year-round progressive basis, so we can set ourselves up for success now and then for the future.
At Hall, we recognize how important it is to understand the changing environment around us and how that affects the people we serve. And to better meet those needs effectively, we know that one of the best practices is by using data to see trends clearly, measure what's working and what's not working, and respond in ways that truly support our community.
We have so many programs, so many partners. We really want to be able to understand how we're doing so that we can improve our programming, but we also want to show the community all of the great work that we do. We know we're doing amazing work, but we need to be able to share that out with everyone as well.